Good afternoon. As America withdraws its troops to strengthen homeland defense, our own nation now takes the rightful path to lead the world against terrorism. In a televised address, our premier again denied involvement with GLA hoodlums and condemned their use of stolen Chinese armament against our great ally. The premier's military commanders have pledged to repel the GLA from former American bases in Europe. China will not allow continued GLA control of advanced U.S. military hardware. Our opinion polls show majority of citizens support the premier and ask for swift retribution. From our post in Germany, this is Sang Meiying, Beijing World News.
I did not think the United States would be defeated so easily. I do not understand why the United States has allowed this to happen. This cannot be allowed to stand. China will make things right. The GLA's treacherous use of our resources against the Americans has caused great embarrassment to China. They must pay for their insolence. They believe they have won the day, but they celebrate too soon.
We have spotted survivors. Ground assault will be necessary.
General, the GLA managed to defeat the US forces in this area. We launched a devastating counterattack, but like roaches, they are still alive.
Big plans.
Even now, the GLA survivors are rebuilding. To finally eliminate the GLA, we must send in our forces and root them out of every dark corner in which they hide.
Looks promising. Building the Chinese Empire. Construction built to spec. A very good plan, General, for China.
General, our new listening outposts are stationed in the area. They are at your disposal.
Building we have big plans. There's not enough build space. That's not a good spot. Try another. We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice. We have big plans. China will grow larger.
We are pretty busy here.
Build orders complete, sir.
Let's pick up some goods.
Building is complete. Building is complete.
Let's pick up some goods.
Construction is complete. I build for China.
We stand together. Let's pick up some goods.
That's a good choice. We have big plans.
We stand together. Let's pick up some goods.
Now that you have re-established our base of operations, it is time to root out all remaining GLA forces in the area.
We will live in prosperity.
Let's pick up some goods. Let's pick up some goods. Let's pick up some goods.
There's not enough build space.
Let's pick up some goods.
Build
Nice
orders
location.
complete, sir. Let's build. It will look real nice when it's done. Build orders complete, sir. China has been generous. Building is complete. A very good plan, General. Build orders complete, sir. We have big plans. Build orders complete, sir.
Supply truck here. Black napalm upgrade is complete.
We will live in prosperity.
Yes! Immediately! Subliminal messaging upgrade is complete. Right away.
The GLA are using these oil derricks to fund their forces. One of our Red Guard could capture those derricks. The proceeds would help defeat the GLA.
Understood. Immediately.
Chain gun
Right
upgrade
away.
is
Down middle
complete.
kingdom. Understood. Moving now, sir. Moving now, sir. Defenders of peace. We will shoot them down. Immediately. We will shoot them down. Moving now, sir. They cannot destroy China! Yes, sir. We will shoot them down. Right away. They cannot destroy China! Immediately. We will shoot them down. Immediately. Nationalism will bring us victory. We are the Red Guard. Let's start the inferno. Raise the red flag. The People's Army.
Look, oil derricks.
We will claim it for
Should we
China.
capture them?
Ready for orders. We will shoot them down.
I have many bullets to spare.
Everything will go up in smoke. Fire from sky.
China can now use this building.
Unit lost.
We are the Red Guard. Pending attention.
Rapid fire. It's very hot in here.
Yes. This building is ours.
Storage
We
tanks
stand
sealed.
together.
Infernal cannons loaded. Getting there.
We stand together.
Let's get moving.
The People's Army. Expanding China's border. Pending attention. Raise the red flag. The People's Army. Expanding China's building border. is ours.
Let's rain some fire. Infernal cannons loaded. That's a good start. This will do. Let's rain some fire.
Ready for orders. This building is ours. Pending attention. China can use this. Defenders of peace. This building is ours. China can now use
This will do.
this building. The building is
Yes,
ours.
This will do. Getting there. Agreed. Getting there. This will do. This will do. Let's get moving.
China can now use this building.
Agreed.
We are the Red Guard.
When do I get started?
Defenders of peace.
I built for China. Could use a little touch-up. Overlord is waiting. This better be
We
good.
are the Red Guard. China can now use this building. Ready for orders, standing attention. Right away. Moving now, sir.
China has been generous.
Flashbangs are ready.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Infernal cannons loaded.
Got my missile launcher
Check
right
out on
here.
this tow missile.
Let's get moving. This will
Got my
do.
missile launcher right here.
Yes, definitely.
Got my missile launcher right
This will
here.
do. Yes, definitely.
Look it up.
That's a good start.
Unit lost.
Definitely. This will do.
What's the mission, sir?
Upgrade
Yes, sir.
complete.
When do I get started?
Standing
What's the
attention.
mission, sir?
Yes, sir. Ready for orders.
What's the mission, sir?
It is time. What is next?
What's the mission, sir?
Standing attention. Understood. Buckle up.
Always prepared. We'll take it from here. Need a point, man? Let's take the building.
USA Armor Division.
Don't get on my bad side. Don't push me. Huh?
USA Armor Division.
I do not have patience for this. Yes. I do not have patience for this.
Special Forces here.
USA Armor Division.
We'll take it from here.
What? Don't push me. Begin stitching. I do not have patience for this. Yes.
USA Armor Division. We have their building.
Going. I'll get there.
USA
Going.
Armor Division.
I'll get there. Going. Punch it.
We have their building.
Going.
General, the GLA has garrisoned several buildings throughout the town. Perhaps you could use a dragon tank to clear out those garrisons.
Stop them dead in their tracks. They are brittle.
Unit lost. Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Quad cannon. Going. Begin stitching. I'll get there. Don't push me. Going. I'll get there. Going. I do not have patience for this. Going. I'll get there. Going. I'll get there. I'll get there. Don't push me. They will break and shatter. Start the machinery. Begin stitching. Stop them dead in their tracks. Going.
Our will is strong, as you request. Fast as I can. Action level 10.
Unit lost.
What? I'll get there. Don't get on my bad side. What? I'll get there.
Ready for action. Let's change the decor. Army's elite. Taking charge.
When do I get started? Engulf them in flames. Getting there. Yes, definitely. This will do.
Unit lost.
Adjusting frequency. Yes, data. Yes, data. Yes, data. Yes, data.
The building is captured, sir.
Scorpion tank.
We'll get the location.
Building capture complete.
Relocating. Yes, data. Everything will go up in smoke. Adjusting frequency. Infernal cannons loaded. Engulf them in flames. Tune into the enemy. Yes, data. Moving
Unit
operation.
lost.
Enemy tanks right there. Track down the enemy. Let's fight the tanks.
Huh? Yes, yes. This is the Overlord tank. Don't get on my bad side. I do not have patience for this. What? Yes, yes. I do not have patience for this. I do not have patience for this. I do not have patience for this. Going. Don't push me. I'll get there. I do not have patience for this. Going. Overlord is waiting. Nothing in our way. It won't be long. It won't be long. Nothing in our way. Huh? I will crush. Quad cannon. Don't push me. Going. I do not have patience for this. Going. This is the Overlord tank. What is next? Don't get on my bad side. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Don't push me. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Unit lost.
I do not have patience for this. I do not have patience for this. I do not have patience for this.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
How about a lift? Let's go for it!
May I suggest that you garrison several of the nearby buildings to defend our base?
Crusader tank responding. Proceeding to target zone. Taking new ground.
Humvee here. Looks like a good run.
On your command. Taking new ground.
Quad cannon. Going. Don't push me. Yes, yes. They are brittle. They will break and shatter. Going. I'll get there. Start the machinery. Going.
Unit
Going.
lost.
Going.
We are the just ones. Fast as I can. Fast as I can. I will do this. As you request. Infidel. We are the just ones. We are the just ones. It will be taken care of. Our will is strong. It is good. These people will not be mocked. I will do this. Yes, I understand. Very well. These people will not be mocked.
Everything will go up in smoke.
I will do my best.
Unit lost.
Light tank of the GLA. It will be taken care of. As you request. Infidel! We are the just ones. These people will not be mocked. Very well. Scorpion tank. Fast as I can. Fast as I can. I will do this. I will do this.
What do you...
Our will is strong. Scorpion tank. As you request. Fast as I can. Yes, I understand. It will be taken care of. It will be taken care of. As you request. They must die. These people will not be mocked. These people will not be mocked. As you request. They must die. Very well. Infidel!
When do I get started? Fire from sky.